This reading is for all people born on the 6th, 15th, or 24th of any month. So, we are talking about, with birth number 6 people. This is the reading for the month of November. Let's see what November is going to bring you guys. So, the first card I have for you is the Judgment card. So, um, possibly a lot of you people are in a karmic relationship. I have a feeling you are dealing with your karma. It could be past life karma that you are dealing with, or it could be, your present life karma. But I think for majority of you, it is your past life karma. So if things have been sort of slow, things are not going the way you want them to, or things have been a little hectic, it is basically, the universe trying to teach you a lesson. The universe wants you to learn something from it, and hopefully things are going to get better once we move on towards the middle of the month. The next card I have for you is the Eight of Swords. So, with the Judgment card and, the Eight of Swords. So, lessons. I think the first lesson here that I am looking at is a lot of you are sort of afraid of, working on your shadow self. When I say shadow self, what I'm basically trying to tell you is that, you are kind of scared of looking into your own reflection. You don't like what you see, and the only thing you're doing about it is actually not, just feeling bad for yourself instead of, actively doing anything. So a lot of you guys are also very stressed. I seem like, your stress levels are high, or you have a lot of things going on in your mind, but you're kind of, you're unable to express. You're unable to express, that sort of um, grief. It's not really grief, but it's sort of, that energy that is within you. So you're having a hard time expressing yourself. Possibly you have a hard time, accepting your true self, or whatever you're feeling, your emotions. The next card I have for you is the Seven of Wheels. So, another lesson here. I think you have been trying, especially from the finance point of view, I think you guys have been trying to work on something. You are trying to, put all the hard work, put all the effort, but you are being very patient. You're still waiting to see the results. I think with the Seven of Wheels showing up, the results are not, showing up yet, and you are getting, a little antsy about it. um, the next card I have for you is the Knight of Cups. So finally, some good news is coming towards you. I have a feeling it's going to be sometime between the second week and the third week of November. You're going to actually get a good news. Uh, Let me know if you do. It's nice to actually have feedback. The next card I have for you is the Magician. So I think once you get this good news, right? Look at the colors, they match. So once you get this good news, I think you are going to feel like, in terms of, your self confidence, that is going to increase. You're going to feel that, you are worthy of more, and that is actually going to kick in your power of manifestation. So with the Magician showing up, I think you're finally going to be high on self confidence. You are going to believe in yourself, and I think you're going to set the bar a little high. So especially from finance point of view, um, there might be a good news, but I still think, it's not going to be as big as you want it to be. You're waiting for something big. I think financially, more financial abundance, I don't see that coming yet, especially in the month of November. So I think you guys are going to be pretty decent. The next card I have for you is the Knight of Wheels. See, told you. So, in terms of finances, it's going to take time. It's definitely not coming in November, sorry to say. But I think the good thing is, because you have Knight of Wheels, this guy, whenever he comes, or, whenever he offers something, it's actually for long term. So it has a strong foundation. It's going to last you for a really long time. And at the same time, for all, the people who have been waiting, especially in their love life, and they are in a karmic relationship, and unable to see the reality or the truth of, their relationship, have given a lot of work to their relationship. When they finally get this good news, I think following that good news, they might have chance. They're going to have strong chance of, actually getting a commitment from a earth sign, a very strong commitment from the earth sign. So earth sign as in Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Next card I have for you is the King of Cups. So finally, somebody is going to get the commitment. There is going to be a lot of happiness. Your guy is actually going to express his emotions. I think you guys might have been in a no contact situation. I think for some of you, not all of you, you might not be talking to your person, and finally this person is going to come after a lot of hard work, after a lot of things that you have done. So don't worry about it. Then we have the King of Swords. So we have the King of Cups, we have the King of Swords. I personally have a feeling there could be two people involved. If you are talking about a relationship reading, in terms of the relationship. But if not relationship, then we are looking at there could be some sort of a partnership with another person. From a work perspective or from a personal life perspective. And then we have the King of Wheels. Oh my god, we have three men here. Guys, what is going on with you here? Let me pull one more card. I'm very curious to see. Guys, you are getting into a relationship. In case you have been having a very hard time, in terms of your relationship, because I said it's a karmic relationship, that is going on right now. You guys are finally going to have a reconciliation. You guys are finally going to figure it out, because I have the Queen of Cups and then I have the King of Cups. But I have a very strong feeling your person is actually a water sign. So we are looking at the presence of a water sign as well. So the last card I have for you is the Justice. See, judgment and justice. You're getting it. I think things are going to be sorted. Things are finally going to be in the direction that you want. So if you have been, working hard, if you have been doing a lot of work, it's going to come. But just beware, especially in the start of the month. Please face your fears, face your realities. The first card I have for you is that your dreams need a practical plan. See, I told you, instead of, you know, getting within yourself, and not facing your fears and not looking at who you actually are, your shadow self, your dreams need a practical plan. So you need to kind of face the truth of the situation. Um, the next card I have for you is communication is the key. So a lot of communication is needed when it comes from here, especially a lot of communication. And then you have the King of Cups, you have the King of Swords. Definitely communication is needed. Uh, and then finally your hard work is paying off. See, so a lot of hard work that you've done, especially with this Seven of Pentacles, it is going to pay off. So you are in a very good situation. I think finance wise things look all right. I wouldn't say very good, very bad, but things look stable. But your stable is going to be on your relationship this month.